What's going on, guys? We have finally made it to the Iguazu National Park. It was about an hour and a half plane ride over here from Buenos Aires, and then about, I don't know, 10-15 minute taxi ride over here as well. So not too bad. We do have all day here, so we are taking our time walking around the trails. This whole park is kind of a labyrinth of different trails that kind of lead you back to the same places in the falls. So like I said, this whole park has a labyrinth of different trails that you can take. There's inferior, which is the lower part, the superior, which is the higher part, and then they have a long area that you can go all the way around that's called the Devil's Throat. I think we'll do the superior one right now since we do have a lot of time, so we'll walk that. And then for the other one, we'll probably take the train around because it's about a 2-hour trek. So, hope you guys enjoy this. It's beautiful out here. Everything is green, lush, it's like a jungle, and we have to watch out for the monkeys. Always gotta look both ways, you know?
Holy shit. That is impressive.
guys, we are back at the airport to fly back to Buenos Aires. We just did a day trip to Iguazu Falls. 10 out of 10. Completely recommend that trip as a day trip. The price of the entry was relatively cheap. The price of the flight to get here and the taxi into the park was relatively cheap. So 10 out of 10 recommend doing it as a day trip. The falls itself were absolutely breathtaking. Little bit of a hike, so be prepared to walk. There is like 2 or 3 different treks that you can do that takes you to different areas of the park, but doing the Superior route and then also doing the Devil's Throat route is the way to go. The Devil's Throat, you can actually take a train about halfway and then you have to walk the other half of the way, but completely recommend that. Don't miss out on the Devil's Throat if you can. That is where the bigger part of the waterfall is, and it is absolutely breathtaking. So we are about to hop back on a flight back to Buenos Aires. We'll be calling it a night, and then we'll be having a full day back in Buenos Aires tomorrow. So checking out for today, but thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you back in Buenos Aires. Ciao.